Hey, what's going on everybody? Steve here, Rake and Profit, and it was about a week ago I made a video asking you guys to fill out a survey in terms of a webinar I was putting together, and I got an enormous response. Tons of people helped me out, and I got a lot of really good kind of like difficulties and challenges that you guys were facing, and I took all of that and I put it into pretty much an amazing webinar that I'm gonna be shooting next week. So I actually wanted to make this video to invite you guys to this free webinar, and I'm sharing some information that I've never shared before. I'm gonna share exactly how you can build a full-time eBay business that replaces your 9-to-5 income. So I'm gonna go super into depth. I've got a bunch of secret stuff that I've never talked about before that I'm gonna be dropping inside of this webinar. So if you guys wanna join this webinar, be sure to click the link down below. And again, this is gonna be private, so it's not gonna be like on my public YouTube page. You're gonna have to sign up to get it, and it probably won't be a replay. So be sure to join, be sure to get in there. And again, guys, if you're interested in scaling your eBay business, being able to build it up to the point where you can replace your 9-to-5 income, be sure to join, guys, because I'm gonna be sharing 3 secrets in there. I'll just tell you a little bit about them right now. Secret number 1 is gonna be one of the most commonly overlooked items that sells on eBay like hotcakes. So you're gonna wanna be there for that. Secret number 2, I'm gonna be really diving into how you can automate your business while working from home without having to hire tons of employees and without having to go and invest in a warehouse. So that's gonna be really big right there, because I know for me personally, I hate listing on eBay. So I wanna share with you guys how to automate it and how to speed up that process. And last but not least, I'm gonna be sharing my secret in terms of how you can quickly scale your eBay business up to $5,000 a month and beyond. So again, guys, I don't wanna give away too much information right now. I don't have a ton of time to get into it, but go down below, first link, join, get in there, sign up. It's 100% free, and I really look forward to kind of blowing your socks off during this webinar. I've got a lot of freaking information to share with you guys. I put a lot of work into it, so super pumped up to see you guys there. Get in there, sign up for the webinar, and I will talk to you guys soon.